Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I've built something useful. An Ethereum arbitrage trading bot using AI, specifically Claude AI, and I'll show you how it works. We'll set up a smart contract that runs the bot, allowing it to monitor ERC20 tokens across exchanges like Uniswap on the Ethereum mainnet. It scans continuously for price differences between platforms, and when it finds a profitable opportunity, it executes trades automatically to capture that spread. If you enjoy this kind of content, make sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get into it. To begin, you'll need MetaMask to deploy the contract. The platform works on PC and only supports MetaMask, but you can fund it with any wallet you prefer. I've already made a complete step-by-step guide for this whole process. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment below. First, head over to compilesolidity.org. This platform is basically a Solidity compiler that EVM developers use to write, test and deploy smart contracts on the Ethereum mainnet, since Solidity is the main programming language used for smart contracts. Start by clicking on the New File up button first and create your bot file. I'll name it bot.nsol, although you can use any name you prefer for yours. Once your file is ready, copy the code provided in the description and paste it into the code editor. Once the bot code is pasted, go to the Compile tab. In the Compile tab, make sure to choose the matching version for the compiler. So here, 0.8.20, and then click on Compile to compile your smart contract. Great. So our contract has been successfully compiled. So now go to the deploy section right here. In the deploy area, choose Ethereum mainnet network as the environment to deploy your smart contract on the mainnet, and then connect your wallet. Click on deploy smart contract to deploy your smart contract. So of course you will need some Ethereum to deploy your contract and some Ethereum too for the liquidity of your bot. So let's confirm. So great, as you can see it went up pretty fast. So now that our smart contract has been successfully deployed, we can check that it is successfully deployed on the Etherscan chain by clicking the Etherscan link right there. So here you can see that our contract has been successfully deployed and that we are the creditor of that contract. So now that the contract has been deployed correctly, so back to the interface. Now the next step will be to send some Ether into our bot to give him some liquidity to make profits from spreads on arbitrage transactions. So let's copy the contract address. And now I'm going to send some Ether. So here I'm going to send 2.3 Ether to my bot's contract. Remember that the more liquidity you put into your bot, the more it will be able to do trades and thus to profit from arbitrage transactions. I personally recommend using at least 2 Ethereums as a good start. So great. Now that the transaction is complete, we can proceed to the next steps. Now we have important functions. One button starts the bot and another stops it. It's very simple. So now that we have some funds in our wallet, we can start the bot. Click the start button. So great. You can see our bot is started and we already made a small transaction. So actually we can see the bot just did a buy of a little bit over $10 to $50 and made a small profit. But I'm going to let it run for a whole day, guys, to see how much it makes, and then we'll check back the results. Okay guys, so it has been 24 hours and it's time to stop the bot and see how much we have made so far. So click the withdraw button and wait a bit. So great. As you can see, guys, the liquidity is now back into our wallet. As you can see, guys, the liquidity has now been returned back into our wallet. So that's basically the complete workflow. If you need any help with the process, just check the instruction guide in the description. You can also contact me on Telegram if you get stuck anywhere. If you enjoyed this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me a lot. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.